What's up guys, in here at Tesco's shopping for some sort of docking station for the iPhone 3GS. Can't seem to find anything good apart from
Staff got release cashier to the checkouts. Release cashier to the checkouts, thank you.
epic fail that. Right guys, I'm here at Tesco's looking at iPod speakers or iPod docks, and I thought I'd bring my iPhone along with me, or the 3GS along with me, and pretty liking this one, the JBL OnStage 3. Not only is it a good quality docking station, but it's also half price. Looks pretty neat. Might actually pick this one up, but I'm not too sure. What do you guys think? What have you guys got for the 3GS or your 3G? Apart from that, they've also got this one here, but I'm not too sure if this is actually the same thing or not. No, this is a Radio Micro, and it's probably double the price, so it's probably going to be better in quality and audio. And this is the black one here, and I think both of these are the same things. This is something different. Yeah, so this is pretty much all they've got. They've mixed it in with the DAB radios. That's why it looks like quite a big collection, but apart from that, it's pretty much everything they've got here. Actually, this one doesn't look too bad. I think this is the same thing.